morning, another week at Airedale, sun comes round, every 7 days in fact. Bit rough this morning, ended up going out and schooling everybody at snooker. I played in a few years and I was actually better than I thought I was going to be. I had all intentions, a couple of games of snooker, go home, watch Leeds friendly, but ended up staying out all day. My wife come and met me, but anyway. Monday morning now, feeling it this morning. We've got Justin here. Justin.
Morning.
We've just loaded lads up, they're just going to get a sandwich and I'm just going to go meet them at this job where we've done some bits here before, just off Dick Lane in Bradford. We did a lot of razor wire. In fact, you did that one, Justin,
yeah,
didn't you?
That, yeah.
Justin and Baggy did that one.
Quite a few metres that as well.
Yeah, we've just got a bit to finish off for them at front, and then there's about 20 metres twin mesh in grey round back that they've built some new units on the site. So yeah, I'm just going to go, I'm just waiting for them to say that they're on the way, and then I'll shoot over and show them where it's going. Justin, you're going some gates, aren't you?
Yeah,
Believe
gates, appointments and gates.
Yeah, he's got a few jobs to see and pick a load of gates up. So yeah, busy, and we'll keep you informed as we go along.
Just text Phelps, it's Monday, lads have just arrived now, so they're going to be doing a bit of bolt down now with Met Post, so it's going to be going from corner here, following edge along, going all the way up and then going back to coping there. We've done work here before. We were meant to do some more razor wire there, but it's not ready for us, so probably have to nip back Friday and get that done as well. I'm just going to nip off now, go get some gates for all rest of the week off Ed. I can pretty much guarantee these two will be done before I even get back from there. The lads have just finished up at the other side now, so let's go have a quick look at what they've done today. So they've actually just put some fencing on this edge in here. This is a nice grey, this, I believe it's 7042 RAL number on this one. It's quite a nice grey, it blends in very well, especially tops of buildings as well because they're grey. So it's a clamp bar system, 1.8i twin, and like I said, it's in a nice grey colour. It's looking good, little section in that end bit. And onto this bit, like I said, we're just going to be putting the bolts onto these fence panels in, and then once they put the copings back on top, what's happening later on this week, we'll be back out, and I think Jamie were off at the time, but me and Baggy actually did all this razor wire all the way around the compound, so basically we'll just be adding to that section and going to the end. Just on this front section, lads are just going to move around to the next section now. It's just from that corner there, they're actually wanting that bit doing as well, so we'll be coming back and doing that at some point. And just going around to the side here, and all the way to there, and then we'll go around the other side and do that.
Hi there. Wow, what a completely horrible day today. It's literally been, somebody's turned off, bouncing it down since, well, I think about 4 o'clock this morning. It woke me up actually this morning. Went to the gym as normal at 5:30, absolutely tamed it down. Literally haven't stopped. Don't know how well it should. Look at puddles formulating in our yard. Some work's going on, the clearing land actually, they're getting a load more containers. Luckily the guys have just had a little job to do over near Wakefield today. Just put some gates in the panel either side. So yeah, they've got wet, but they've got it done, they've earned the money today, so well done to the lads for getting that done. Tomorrow, again, they've just got a couple of little jobs to do. Put some bushes on a gate over in Skipton we did.
So, we're back at Skipton. You guys probably remember this job where we replaced all the fencing on the wall. Obviously that's not ours there. Well, from this point here, all the way down. Getting attacked by a wasp. So we're just going to put a little attachment on bottom of this just to stop all we play with tennis balls here, so just stop all them going out. I'll give you a quick look once we're done. Yeah, we'll crack on, get these screwed on, and we're out of here. Job 1 of 3 done today. We're over in Skipton, so gaps are covered up now so balls can't get underneath. It's not looking too bad.
Some bifolds a while back and some razor wire to do, and what else have we got? I've forgotten now, really. Oh yeah, and they're sticking a couple of posts in for my mate Gary actually, just locally. I said I'd do it for him. I did his fence about 10 so years ago. It's just winds have had it a bit in the place, so I'm just going to put a couple of posts in. Just a favour I'm going to do for him. but I'm actually away this weekend with Gary, so I'm going to do that before we get away at weekend. Nice long weekend at Lakes coming up with the gang. So yeah, very enjoyable. I think the lads have just actually completed the job, so I've just seen some pop up a picture as we speak. Yeah, so I'm just going to get my admin done. I've just been paying a few suppliers bills and stuff, you know, boring stuff, the bit I don't like. I only like receiving money, not paying it. So yeah, I'm just going to crack on, get my admin done, and I'll catch you later.
So this is Saltaire Primary School doing a job for them today, a day job. We had it in for 2, but you know how we work, too fast. So we've cut all this out. I'm just going along now, tarmacking all holes. Last panel to go in, we're just leaving a gap so we can carry it all out. Gate's going on now, what he's going to do.
Text the word value for shooks double two double step. Value for shooks double two double step.
So just going along, I'll just show you it. All the way down, Baggy's just put gate on now, we'll finish tarmacking, and then all the way up to the post. Looks like a nice little job. Nice little job. Up now, just going to put this last panel on, and it's all going a lot better now. All that down there, all tarmacked, all these are nice and tarmacked. Give it a good sweep around. I've actually added an extra post in here just to take for, because obviously this is going down now, just to take for that. And see, it's a lot better. And all the way to end. Looking good. So I reckon we'll actually be back here doing I reckon we'll be taking that out at some point and doing more there. Yet to see, so we'll find out.
Hello there. So yeah, we're just, my wife's here actually, giving me a hand. Say hello, wifey. Just giving me a hand, we're just playing it back on my motor. 2 reasons. 1, I've got my new car coming on Tuesday, so I just want to get rid of all the stuff in here. And 2, we're actually going away to Lakes in the morning for a long weekend with some friends. So just so I've got room to slink cases in, not all getting mucky. She's already hoovered inside out for me, bless her. So yeah, we're all having a long weekend off actually, even lads. They're just doing some little jobs today, getting finished, and then, like I say, we're having a long weekend because from next week, middle of next week, we're working away for 2.5 weeks. So I suppose we might as well have a few days off, get recharged and whatnot, and then, you know, get stuck in while we're working away. So yeah, all good in the hood. I think Justin and lad should have had some footage of what we're doing today. But yeah, that's about it really. Sorry about the noise in the background, but they're actually clearing the land at back of me there, all the way around. We've actually started here, which is pretty good. In fact, I'll show you. Pretty good idea actually. I can get a lot more wagons and stuff in, but I'll turn it round. Well, you can see them there with a big tractor unit. Obviously, they've cut a few trees down, diggers levelled it all out, and they're putting tree shoot chipper. But I presume they're going to do something similar to what they've done here. Look, that were all sort of just overgrown dead land, so they've cleared it all. It's a pretty good idea how they've got all the wagons parked like that. Probably should have done that years ago, to be honest. You know, hopefully get all wagons away from congregating up here, so it's a right pain in the neck. So yeah, probably a good idea for mule unloads really. But we get a lot more wagons in and stuff then. There was a rumour they were just going to get containers, but I don't know. I'll have to see what happens there. So yeah, I'm going to call it here and say, whilst I'm here, thanks for tuning in, subscribing. If you like what we do, give us a like, and we'll catch you next time. Thank you.